Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm finally filming my Chanel sale unboxing. This video has been highly requested. I keep getting messages, Maria, when are you going to unbox your sale items? Maria, did you get the cardigan? Well, I guess you'll find out in a bit, very shortly. But I actually was pushing this video a little bit because I'm missing one item. I left it for alterations and it still hasn't arrived. They said it might take 2 to 3 weeks. But yeah, I guess we'll see. If I have the item before this video goes up, I'll insert clips. If not, I'll talk about it anyway later in this video and tell you what I picked up. I currently have 2 items here and can't wait to show you. I'm so excited to do this unboxing. I didn't want to wait too long because the new collection is coming. Plus, I really wanted to start wearing these pieces. They're all ready to wear pieces, by the way, but I have one regret, which I'll discuss later. So let's get started. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here. You can see my daily outfits, how I style my new purchases. I also share some beauty favorites on my stories as well, so come say hi. I would love to see you on my Instagram as well. Okay, let's get started. I would love to start by thanking today's video sponsor, which is Ana Luisa, and I cannot wait to show you the new pieces that I'm already wearing. I picked up 3 new pieces and I'm wearing 2 of them. I am obsessed. These have to be my new favorites. I have been wearing especially the earrings so much. They definitely give me high jewelry vibes. Ana Luisa designs are always so unique and they make you feel very elegant, very empowered, at your finest. The design looks a bit more edgy because of the chains. It's very trendy right now, but they also have crystals. They're yellow gold. They're 14K yellow gold, by the way, so I love the quality of their products. They craft jewelry pieces at very affordable prices, so I would highly suggest you check them out. So they're currently actually running their Valentine's sale, so I wanted to show you these pieces if you want to order some beautiful jewelry gifts for your friends, your loved ones, or yourself. Treat yourself, why not? I also picked up a pair of earrings that I wanted to show you. They're so dainty. I love them. They're the perfect size, perfect everyday hoops. I love wearing hoops. All their jewelry comes in these beautiful pouches. And also, guys, Ana Luisa is carbon neutral from packaging to products. They really care about the impact on the planet, which I love about the brand. And the third piece that I'm also wearing, I'm not sure if it's showing very well because I'm wearing this cardigan, but it is this stunning necklace and it actually matches so nicely with the earrings. I love pairing them together. I love that all Ana Luisa pieces really complement each other, so they look so beautiful layered. They have different settings, so currently I'm wearing this necklace on the shortest setting so it can kind of show. Hopefully it's showing. It is so beautiful and dainty. I love that. Their jewelry is very dainty. So if you want to take advantage of the current sale, up to 40% off for Valentine's, definitely check out the link down below. Okay, let's get started with the Chanel unboxing. So, Maria, did you get the Chanel cardigan? Well, by the way, if you haven't watched my Chanel shopping vlog, I vlogged from the private sale and the public sale. I'll link it above, but here it is. We have the hanger. Of course I got the cardigan. What did you think? Did you think I wouldn't? Come on, it is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, it is. Let me take it out. It is so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to start wearing it. That's why I wanted to finally film this unboxing. I've been waiting for over a week, hoping the other item will come, but I couldn't wait any longer because I really want to start wearing this cardigan. I'm gonna cut off the tags, but I actually ended up getting a smaller size in this cardigan. I tried on the 40 and it felt like I was swimming inside the cardigan because it is so chunky and oversized. I felt that it was maybe a bit too big, so my essay is amazing. He actually managed to find me the smaller size. I reserved the 40, but then he said, actually I found you the 38, do you want it? I said yes, of course, I know it will fit better. So yeah, I ended up getting a size smaller and it fits so much better, I feel. I love this cardigan. This cardigan is from the 20A collection. This is actually a runway piece. I will try to find a picture and insert it here so you can see the model wearing the exact same cardigan. It is a very dark navy blue. It's very like heavy knit. It feels so warm and it looks absolutely fantastic, guys. It is such a beautiful fit. It has a belt and I really love the buttons. I will insert a close-up, but it has these beautiful velvet Chanel buttons. I love the combination of navy and gold. It is dressy, but at the same time you can dress it down and wear it more casual with sneakers, but even for an evening out this will look so beautiful. I can imagine this with my 21p gold mini rectangle bag. It will look so nice. Actually, let me tell you what's my biggest regret, and it's not something I bought, it's something that I didn't buy. And I messaged my SA the day after, but it was already gone, and I kind of knew it will be gone because everything sells so fast. It is the beautiful ballerina shoes that I tried on in white. I'll insert a picture. I really regret not buying them. If any of you bought them from the sale and you kind of regret buying them and you don't want them anymore, DM me, I want them. But yeah, these they got away, unfortunately. I really regret. I watched the clips back and I was like, why did you not buy them? So next is another ready-to-wear. So as I mentioned, I only bought ready-to-wear. I bought 3 ready-to-wear pieces. I didn't pick up any jewelry or shoes. To be honest, the jewelry was very disappointing this year. So this, oh my god, this will be a surprise. I didn't show you this. So it is stunning. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. Okay, here it is. Oh my god, isn't it the prettiest jumper? And you may remember I have actually tried this on in white. I think I tried it on in white. Was it last year? What collection is this from? This is 20A. I know it was a very popular piece. It came in white and black. But I found it quite pricey, but because of all the embroidery it was £2,500, maybe a bit more. So I couldn't believe I found this. I must say this runs a bit small. I got a size 40. I would have preferred a 42 because it's quite cropped, but I'll definitely wear it with a shirt underneath or very high-waisted jeans. Also, on top of white dresses, it will look so nice. Imagine with like a white or black dress in the spring when it gets a bit chilly. This is a very light cashmere jumper, so if you feel a bit chilly you can just throw it on top and it will look so nice with dresses as well. But yeah, it is again perfect as an evening piece because of this beautiful, oh my god, I have to show you an up close of this embroidery. It is stunning. If they had this jumper in white, I would have bought the white as well because this is such a classic, timeless piece. It is just fabulous, isn't it? I know many of you will love this, so I'm so happy I found it. I will show you the tag so you can see the reference. Here is the reference. And last but definitely not least, the item that I'm missing, it's currently at alterations as mentioned. Hopefully by the time this video is up it will be here so I can try it on and you can see, but if not, I do have some clips because I already showed you this in my shopping vlog and many of you commented that you really loved it. I picked up the classic black coat. Yeah, what can I say? You can't find anything more classic than this. A black maxi black long coat with gold CC buttons. It is so beautiful, and actually I remember seeing it on the runway, the 20k runway, is it? I think it was the 20k runway show. But then I remembered I actually saw the coat again. It made an appearance on Virginie Viard on the 21S fashion show right at the end. She came out wearing the exact same coat. So if I find any clips or pictures, I'll insert them, but this is my coat. I can't believe there was only one left, and honestly I have no idea how nobody bought the coat before me. I guess I was lucky. I went quite early and it was still there. I went to Harrods. If you've watched my vlog you can see I went to Harrods, and Harrods was crazy busy. Selfridges, especially the ready-to-wear department, wasn't that busy. There weren't any queues, so I guess that's why the coat was still available. But I was very lucky because I found the code. I didn't see it on the private sale. When I went to the private sale, I saw it on the public sale. So I found it hanging there, just one left at the very end, and I immediately grabbed it and tried it on, and it is fantastic. I was definitely on the hunt for a Chanel winter coat, and this one is so classic and perfect, timeless. The design is beautiful. It has these beautiful satin panels as well. Hopefully they will show on the video clips that I'll insert here so you can see it on me. But I left it for alterations because it was way too long actually, so they're cutting it a bit short. When I tried it on, I felt like I was coming out of the Matrix. I felt like Neo, or what was her name? Trinity, was it Trinity? Oh my god, I haven't watched The Matrix for a while. So yeah, I ended up leaving it so they can make it a bit shorter, but other than that, it is perfect, and I'm so happy with all my Chanel ready-to-wear pics. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite item from this haul. Don't forget to check out Analusa because they're currently running their Valentine's sale, and you can get up to 40% off and pick up some beautiful jewelry pieces. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video, which will probably be the Chanel pre-spring summer 2022 collection. So I'll see you then. Bye.